The California Department of Insurance took questions today from frustrated homeowners as hundreds of thousands of people throughout the state face increasingly unaffordable and unavailable insurance. Becca Habegger has been following this growing issue for 5 years now and shows us the big takeaway for homeowners.
In a virtual insurance town hall Tuesday, California Insurance Commissioner Ricardo Lara answered questions submitted by homeowners.
Why are insurance companies allowed to cherry pick the zip codes they want to insure?
Unlike public utilities, insurance companies can limit where they write policies. While we don't have the authority to force insurance companies to write policies in a particular area of the state, we have reached this historic agreement with insurance companies to write coverage for properties in wildfire risk areas.
Lara is talking about one of several reforms he is proposing as part of his sustainable insurance strategy announced last September with a goal of going into effect by the end of the year. Under current law, insurance companies must get any rate increase approved by the Department of Insurance. Right now, they're only allowed to use the past 20 years of historical data to justify any rate increase. Insurers want the department to let them use forward-looking so-called catastrophe modeling.
We should be using forward-thinking technology to help us assess the risk.
In a proposed regulation, Lara says an insurer will be allowed to use catastrophe modeling only if they work to increase the number of policies they write in wildfire-prone areas, which his department defined by specific counties and zip codes in a release last month.
They're going to commit to come back and write in these communities. It's really a win-win for everybody because at the end of the day, we also have to secure our insurance market in California.
It's a horrible situation right now. There's no way to put it any other way.
Insurance expert Karl Susman believes Lara's proposed regulations will move the market in the right direction, but they're not yet finalized, and consumers might not see improvement in affordability or availability until sometime next year.
We're going to have to be a little more patient. I think realistically, we should expect to see companies begin to re-enter the market, getting their toes a little bit wet